Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to migrate additional variation images from other WooCommerce plugins to Woo Gallery. Let's get started. Let's say you're currently using another WooCommerce Product Gallery plugin, and now you want to switch to the Woo Gallery plugin for better performance and more advanced features. If you try to do this manually, you would need to rebuild and customize everything from scratch, which can be time-consuming and frustrating. That's where the migration feature comes in. First, install and activate the Woo Gallery plugin, and make sure the plugin you're currently using is also active. Next, go to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll find the Migrate option. Open it. From here, you'll see a list of supported plugins from which you can easily migrate your data. For example, if you're using the Additional Variation Images gallery for WooCommerce plugin, you'll see the variation images on the Product Edit page. Once Woo Gallery is activated, you'll also notice the Woo Gallery Variation Image section. Now, simply click the Migrate option, and your variation images will be transferred automatically. After the migration is complete, you can safely deactivate the previous plugin, and you'll see that all your variation images are perfectly preserved in Woo Gallery. And that's it! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other tutorials for more helpful tips.